Here is your GMB Money Minute from Grow My Bag. White House OIRA clears DOL proposal for 401k, alternative assets, including digital assets. Binance confirms listing of XAUT, a gold-backed stablecoin, signaling growing institutional interest in digital assets. Mortgage rates hit recent highs with 30-year rates at 6.48% and 15-year rates at 6.09% as of March 25th. Fannie Mae introduces crypto-backed mortgages via Better and Coinbase, enabling Bitcoin or USDC for down payments. Morgan Stanley's MSBT Bitcoin ETF faces imminent launch after NYSE listing on March 25. Mara sold 15,033 Bitcoin at 6,037 each to repurchase $1 billion in debt at a 9% discount. The AI system has analyzed over $1 billion in crypto fraud cases. Coinbase and Better Home & Finance launched a crypto-backed mortgage product in March 2026. Lawmakers introduced bill to ban Chinese robotics in federal use. Crude oil prices exceeded $107 per barrel on March 26, 2026, due to U.S.-Iran tensions. Ripple's AI-driven security initiative includes a red team and AI-assisted testing to proactively address vulnerabilities. The law authorizes seizure of digital assets to combat organized crime. UK sanctions CMB for enabling cybercrime. Bitcoin outperformed gold and silver on March 26, 2026, trading at 6,065. Alphabet's $180 billion AI capital plan shocked investors in February 2026. Legal rulings in New Mexico and California challenged Meta's liability protections under Section 230. Anchorage Digital expands custodial services to TRON network on 2026-03-26, enabling institutions to custody TRX. The Golden Cross pattern historically correlates with 40% average drawdowns in TAO. Michael Selig stated, "You can't have AI without blockchain to combat misinformation." Investor sentiment shifted toward preferred shares over common stock at Strategy. France repatriated 109 metric tons of gold from the U.S., generating fresh $28 billion in capital gains amid record-high gold prices. Affordability erosion threatens to surpass 2008 crisis levels. OKX achieved a $25 billion valuation via Intercontinental Exchange deal finalized on 2026-03-26. 10 new suspects charged in JPEX fraud case. NVIDIA's AGI claim shattered by new AI test. 99.7% failure rate revealed. The FSA issued March 2025 warnings to KuCoin and others for unregistered operations. Wikipedia banned AI tools from creating or altering article content effective March 26, 2026. Nasdaq's tokenization efforts could create separate trading systems under U.S. regulations and offshore blockchain venues. South Korea imposes anti-dumping duties on Chinese and Japanese industrial robots with tariffs up to 19.85%. OpenAI abandoned Citron mode, an erotic chatbot feature, due to ethical concerns. SpaceX aims to allocate 30% of shares to retail investors in its IPO, far above industry norms. Sachs ended his 130-day tenure as a special government employee on March 26, 2026. A coordinated scam network exploited the Middle East crisis to spread fake news and promote crypto fraud. Netflix implements first price increase since January 2025, with ad-supported plan now at $8.99 per month. Foreign portfolio investors pulled $12.1 billion from India in March 2026, marking a record outflow. GameStop pledged 4,709 Bitcoin as collateral on Coinbase in January 2025. Tether's secret weapon revealed. How KPMG and PwC will fix its $185 billion crisis. 80% of Strategy's stretch, STRC. Shareholders are retail investors, with CEO Fongla noting their preference for low volatility, high-yield digital credit despite Bitcoin's 45% decline from its all-time high. The court blocked the Pentagon's attempt to label Anthropic as a security risk in 2025. U.S. 10-year Treasury yields reached 4.42% on March 27, 2026, triggering discussions about monetary policy shifts. The council includes 13 members with potential expansion to 24. India's CBI arrests Mumbai-based kingpin Sunil Nelathu Ramakrishnan, linked to transnational crypto fraud network in Myanmar. The $171.20 million outflow marked the largest single-day withdrawal in over 3 weeks. Swift's successful testing of Ripple and Stellar paves the way for live integration in global payments. The FSB identified significant regulatory gaps in digital assets and stablecoins threatening financial stability. ARK Invest integrates Cauchy prediction market data into institutional research for real-time insights. This has been your GMB Money Minute from Grow My Bag. Don't forget to invest in yourself today.